Okay, so now we do the base first. Okay, so now done already, right? How to put together? One person working, do like that. You put the brake first. Brake color, brake. Okay, lock already. One more. Lock already. Like that, lock already. So you see, just now got the sound crack, lock already. Same, before you're moving, now this one can move, right? Dangerous, lock first. So you can see, this is your trolley. Once you finish, you don't need to take out. You put all the thing inside, then you can keep in the store. Or you want to take out everything, also can. More space.